Greetings, humans! So, we're officially starting the Halloween season. It's only September 1st.
Yep.
But that doesn't stop us.
It's definitely like our favorite time of the year. Fall is
Yes.
our favorite season.
We got married in the fall.
Yeah, Halloween's one of our favorite holidays. Mm-hmm. It's an event for us.
It is. We've already, as you can see, decorated for Halloween.
Mm-hmm.
And we will show you a close-up of everything we've done. And if we're being completely honest here, there wasn't much for us to do. Because
Well, we're kind of already half decorated for Halloween year-round.
constantly, all the time.
Book skull lamp thing was actually made by my mother. Recycled some old books with some creepy titles and made a really cool lamp.
I love this mirror bad. I love like the infinity mirror. I think it just looks really cool.
These autumn leaf garlands are actually from our wedding. We loved them too much to get rid of them, so we've got like at least I think 4 strands of those hanging about the whole Comvee. Halloween every day.
Yeah, and again, more of these lights going across the top of our Comvee along the front.
And our friend, our antique jack-o'-lantern cutout. And then these, of course, are our pumpkin jack-o'-lantern lights, which you see up year-round with our skull and bat lace. And it stays up year-round because I will never get rid of it. Take it down.
And this is one of our other favorite Halloween decor items.
Count Vlad's Pub and Inn. Happy hour sundown at sunup.
And this is our only outdoor yard thing that we've had. We've never had a yard, but we got this at a garage sale pretty cheap. And we love it.
It's doofy, but it's adorable. And thanks to how we moved the RV at an angle, we were able to have a little area on our family member's driveway that we could put this up this year.
Pops up, clear product placement.
Yeah.
But whatever.
And our dog Spirit. Dipper.
He was barking at it and he got Shaggy going too. Even when we walk out and it's deflated, he'll go over and lay on it like I've conquered and killed it.
Dad, no! We're safe!
It's not uncommon for us to go to some place like Spirit Halloween and find actual home decor.
It's very true. And we did go to Spirit Halloween.
Yeah.
Which was very empty. And we went to a couple other stores, which are incredibly empty. A couple of places told me they were already sold out of certain Halloween items. Did not realize that I was so late or so early for Halloween. So basically, you'll see we have a few things here and there, and a few things that you will notice just stay up year round, but somehow look a little bit fancier for Halloween. Mm-hmm. You may have noticed, this sitting situation over here was a little bit different. I got a sudden bug up my butt to just want to rip the couch out and bring over my favorite tea table and my favorite chair that I deeply missed because I also found it difficult to have a workspace of my own. The bar's nice, but it's not really a good workspace to sit in for long periods of time. I have been incredibly annoyed with our carpet since before we bought it. It's a very hideous pinky orange, and I'm not a huge fan of pink to begin with, and I like orange, but somehow this mixture is just, as they would say on Recess, vomitrocious.
It was bad to begin with, but it's also been faded over the years.
Sun-bleached.
And yeah, it's turned into a really bad pink. Since
we cannot get new flooring yet, I decided to rectify a little bit of the situation that I could. So, I tore the carpet off of the stairs. Well,
she ripped the carpet off of the stairs. I went through and got all the little carpet fibers off of all of the staples. I made it a workable space again.
And then, as you will see, I made our steps look very dark and mystical.
So I decided to make some stencils myself. I already had this glow-in-the-dark star that I used to make the star stencil, but I was trying to look around the room to try to find something I could do to stencil a crescent moon. I thought, oh, a banana, that's kind of shaped like a crescent moon, right? And so when it did not work, I ate it, and yeah, that was my vengeance upon it for not working. But the Folgers coffee container worked pretty darn well.
It helps if you have an actual circle.
It does. And then I took some painter's tape and closed off the end that I cut into to get the shape so that it would stay closed on either end. And that's also the same tape that I used to hold the stencils up on the walls and stuff when I was painting. And Dipper here did not want me to be painting. He really wanted to play, so Mommy had to ignore him.
It looks like you have the world's harshest critic staring you over the shoulder as you paint.
I do. It was a learning process too. I've only really stenciled like a couple of times, so I think overall, yeah, there were some oopsie daisies, but I think it gives it some character, and I like it.
I like it too. I think it's nice and fun seeing it when you walk into the Comvee.
It is. And we'll replace the steps, like the carpeting and then that bottom step when we get some wood flooring, so for right now it looks better, I think.
Obviously a work in progress, but not as industrial
Yeah.
as before.
And I will probably add to it some more in the future, some sort of like glow dark paint so that you can actually see where the stairs are at night, since I painted them black.
Yeah. So if you're coming into the Comvee at night, you're not going to know where the levels are.
But stay tuned to see what I did with the rest of the black paint.
Oh, gosh. When I'm editing, I'm not keeping track of what she's doing. All of a sudden, I look up and our couch is half gone.
I'm referred to as the tornado around here, so... Alrighty now, we have decorated.
Yes.
We have cleaned.
Mm-hmm.
We've prepared for the start of Halloween with our mandatory childhood Halloween cookies, as you can see here.
I have a pleasant memory of these types of cookies from when I was a little kid, and I was just feeling nostalgic. So when I went to the store, I was just going to get the jack-o'-lanterns, but then I happened to see that they had a Scooby-Doo for the movie I did not care for.
But it was still just a fun, quirky thing that we decided last minute. Oh, we'll do this for the start of the Halloween season.
I will tell you this now, that they are far sugary than you remember. We had to do it inside our family kitchen because we are out of propane currently. And look, they are actually pretty similar to the box.
Except for the mouth. The mouth is much wider on the box. And yeah, the Scoob ones, I would not say turned out as good. Some of them did, but some of these don't have noses.
Yeah.
Some of them look spot on.
Yeah.
And now we are about to watch the first Halloween movie of the season.
For those of you who are paying attention, we have two channels. One of them being a movie review channel, because you can't always have an interesting life, especially in an RV. It's not always, oh, we're sitting by a lake, how beautiful, let's grab amazing footage for YouTube every week.
So yeah, if you are interested in what we're about to watch for the first Halloween movie of the season, go ahead and hop on over to our other channel, which
I will put
up here somewhere.
What is it? What side of the camera is it on? It'll pop up over your face.
So we'll have a link to our other channel here where you can
Yes.
you can come over and see what we're watching over there and see the review of the first Halloween movie of the season.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to sit here and we're going to eat our delicious childhood Halloween style cookies and watch our Halloween movie.
We will be starting Halloween movies on the review channel, and we will be continuing to do Halloween movies for the next 3 months.
Mm-hmm. We got family movies, we got horror movies.
Funny, scary, scary, funny, funny, scary, scary but funny, and also everything in between.
Yep. So go check it out, Forbidden Views.
Forbidden Views. There's links everywhere, just look
everywhere.
for it.
And we will see you in the pumpkin patch. Toodles noodles.
Bye! Well, I guess see you on the other channel, if you're cool like that.
If you're cool.
Because we are literally starting the movie right now, so let's go.